6-4 Golf, contact Toronto Terminal, 133.4 airborne, the wind is 190 at 5, cleared for takeoff runway 26.
Clear for takeoff runway 26, and that's 33.4?
6-4 Golf, correct, 133.4.
Thank you, 6-4 Golf.
Tower, Jazz 7962, radio holding short.
Jazz 7962, roger, will be a few minutes for spacing, the 172 departing is IFR.
Okay, we check.
There we go. Power gauges in the green.
This hotel, plan visual runway 26.
2989, plan visual 26, for the 126.
For 126, you're number 3 for the sequence. Turn right heading 010, vector sequencing, and descend.
962,
Toronto Terminal, you're identified from the 3,000 feet, turn left heading 120.
3,000 heading 120, that's 7962.
Visibility 10. Ceiling 1,300 broken. 4,100 broken. Temperature 17, 2.14.
Jazz 7962, left turn direct to Dabsy on course.
Left turn direct Dabsy, Jazz 7962.
Toronto Terminal, good. JetBlue 2466, set to maintain 2,300.
And 6-4 Golf, we can go direct Buffalo now.
Approach again.
6-4 Golf, we're all set with the viewing of the falls. We can go direct Buffalo if you want.